Hamster Combat is the new update. Don't sleep on it. What is Hamster Combat, you may want to ask? It is a Telegram-based game where you can just tap on your phone screen and mine coins known as Hamster. HMSTR. This will in turn earn you rewards known as airdrops. And what is airdrops, you may want to ask? Just imagine for a moment that you opened a restaurant and you called people to come and test your food for free. That is synonymous to airdrops in crypto, which simply means giving out free tokens in order to promote the project. One of the ways through which the Hamster Combat airdrops can be withdrawn is through the Ton wallet, and the Ton wallet is located inside your Telegram. And don't worry, I will show you everything in a bit. Hamster Combat is currently on an airdrop mode, which means they are giving out free tokens in order to promote the project. And these free tokens, you can earn them by tapping on your screen. And they know that you will soon get tired of tapping on your screen just to earn the coins. And that is why they developed what is known as Hamster Daily Combo Packs, or the Hamster Daily Ciphers, where you can earn between 1 million to 5 million coins if you can correctly guess the combination of the packs yourself or find them online. But the crazy thing is that these packs or ciphers change daily, so you have to continuously look for them like a treasure hunt. And enough of the talks. Let's get to action. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Waterfred1. So right now I'm on Telegram, and to get to this point, kindly use the link showing on your screen right now, okay? I'll also leave this link showing on the screen right now in my YouTube video description, okay? You can use either iPhone or Android to do this. So immediately you are here, click on Start, okay? And next you click on what? Play. And what? You click on Launch. It's loading. Tap to earn coins, okay? Upgrade your exchange. Use cards to boost your passive income, okay? So this is just a quick tutorial. Invite friends and get bonuses together. Use coins to get an airdrop. Add token listing. Yes. And then what do you do now? Click on play. Click here. Okay. Tap to start. Yes. This is the home page, okay? Yeah, you can see your name showing right up here, okay? The name you use to register on Telegram. So let's tap. You can see we are earning 1 point per tap, and of course you can tap with multiple fingers, okay? Multiple fingers, okay? Now if you just keep tapping this way, you will be on a very long thing, okay? So don't just depend on just this simple tapping. There are several ways for you to increase your earnings, okay? So what do you do? First things first, come to this end. You can see Hamster Combat Mesh, daily reward, and a lot of tasks that you can do and earn more rewards. You can see, remember right now, if you come to mine, under mine here, you will see I'm on 203, 203 points. So let's try one of these tasks. Just one of them is okay. Join our Telegram channel. Let us do this and follow our X. So let's do this. Let's go and follow them on X. You can see, okay, you can see 5,000 points. Now let us click on mine and let's look at, you can see instantly I've gotten what? 5,200. So that's just exactly how you can complete all these tasks and you earn rewards, okay? Now another thing you're going to do right now is to click on what? Boost. You can see full energy. Remember that whenever you are tapping, your energy is reducing, your energy is finishing, okay? When you click on full energy, recharge your full energy is free, go ahead, okay? Now we can click on what? Boost, okay? 1 more coin plus 1 coin for a tap for level 2, and it's going to cost us 2,000 points. So we do what? We go ahead and buy it. Okay, you can now see that our points has reduced because we spent 2,000 out of it already. And now, so let's tap. You can now see that we're now earning what? 3 points. Okay, we're now earning 3 points. Now our points has increased. So right now, let me explain the daily combo. Okay, now the daily combo, when you want to get to the daily combo part, click on this mine and you will see daily combo here where you can earn up to what? 5 million coins. And what is this? This is like a puzzle where you have to select 3 things. You have to fill up these 3 parts, okay, with any of these options. Any option that is under this market, or if part of it is under this PR and team or legal. And please note, for you to select any of them, you have to have enough points, because each time you select them, you have to buy them with points. Okay, that's why some of them are not highlighting. What you're going to do, just go to the internet and search it. Just go to the internet. When you go to Google or anyway, just search hamster. Just search it. Hamster daily combo. Let's say 9th June 2024. Okay, just search it. Okay, search it. Go through the internet. Search it, and you are going to see. Okay, let's take for instance for 8 June. You can see the one for 8 June. Okay, this is for 8 June. Okay, they are going to tell you. You can see, look at it, look at the three of them. You can see the first one is what? License Asia. Okay, the second one is blocking suspicious accounts, and the third one is what? Derivatives. Okay, so that is for 8 June. That was for yesterday. Okay, so you just come here and look for those three things. You look for the first one, License Asia. Now let's look for it. The first one, when you're on the first one, this is the first one. If you click on it this way, you see legal. You will see License Asia here. You can see it. Okay, I just started this account. I just started playing, so it's not highlighted. By the time I play more, profit per hour, by the time I play more, this one will be highlighted. So you select License Asia. You look for the second one, blocking suspicious accounts. Now the second one is what? Blocking suspicious accounts. And if you come under PR team, okay, and scroll down, you will find it. Okay, this is it, blocking suspicious accounts. Okay, and the third one is what? Derivatives, which I think is in market. Okay, yes, under market, this is derivatives. Okay, so that's how you just do it, and you select that. Once you select this daily combo correctly, you're going to have this 5 million points. And of course, that information is always on the internet, or someone else may have done it first and put it on YouTube, where you can find it and also copy and do just like that. Now, when you come to exchange, you can see this N per tap it 3 times, 1, 2, 3. You can see that the color changed, daily cipher. This is daily cipher. Okay, this is daily cipher, where daily cipher is different from daily combo. In daily cipher, you have to kind of press some codes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, it goes back, 1, 2, 3, it becomes red, and that's when the daily cipher will be exposed. Okay, that's when, and here now you can now do the codes, which you can use to, if you get it correctly, you can earn up to 1 million points. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to throw more light, especially on this daily cipher and this daily combo. So I promised to show you guys the Ton wallet. Okay, so if you open your Telegram and you come down here and you click on settings, you are going to see wallet. Okay, now if you click on wallet, it will open. You can see this is a Ton wallet. Yes, if I click on it, this is Ton wallet. Now your own might not be like this when you open it. First of all, make sure your Telegram is updated. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iPhone. Just make sure your Telegram is updated. And once you come to settings and you see wallet, click on it, and then click on these 3 lines right here, and you click on settings. Okay, you are going to see all this page, and it is here you will see this Ton space beta. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. It's going to ask you to add a recovery email, and just follow the on-screen instructions. There is nothing complicated about it. Okay, and when you finish, remember there is a phrase. Remember, and that phrase is going to contain 24 words. Please make sure you save those 24 words very well wherever you want to save it. If you want to write it down, you want to save it anywhere, save it, because that is the only way that you can recover your wallet or your coins. Okay, yes, save it well, add a recovery email. And then another thing I also recommend is this passcode. Add a passcode here. Okay, so you can have wallet passcode, add it, and then verification level. In case you don't know, you can now do P2P on Telegram. I believe it's no longer in use, but this video is not about that. Identification level, you can see my own is extended. I have done the basic, filled in my name, added my identity documents, and then I'm now in extended. If I like, I proceed to advanced. Extended is just okay for me for now. So that is it for the Ton wallet on Telegram. This is where you withdraw your Hamster Combat funds to. Okay, so that is it for this video. And not just Hamster Combat, other coins too can be withdrawn through the Ton wallet here on Telegram. And just in case if you want to learn about TapSwap and everything you need to know about earning coins and earning airdrops or money through TapSwap, I made a full video on TapSwap explaining everything and the processes involved in getting started. And the video is showing right on your screen right now. And you can as well watch the video through the link in my YouTube video description. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I really appreciate it. If you gained any value in this one, give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like 2 times and tell me why in the comment section. More of these are coming soon on Hamster Combat, and I recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned so you do not miss anything. Hamster Combat. Hamster Combat is the new oh, Jesus. Which kind of bed is this? Which kind of bed is this? Hamster Combat airdrops can be withdrawn through the Ton wallet, and the Ton wallet.
You want to please others and displease yourself.
Hamster Combat airdrops can be withdrawn. One of the ways through which Hamster Combat.
Sorry.